Do they know your agency's name? Do they know their agent's name? Do you know their name and talk to them by using their name? Hi, Therese Potter here with Agency Performance Partners to talk to you about building an insurance customer service culture. What is it like to have a customer-eccentric insurance agency? Well, it's kind of hard to tell these days. Back 10, 15 years ago, customer service was spot on. It was important. It was what everybody strived for. And it was always the customer is always right. I think those who worked in customer service got tired of hearing the customer's always right because they knew that the customer wasn't always right. Especially in the insurance industry, the customer is not always right because the customer doesn't know everything about insurance. In some cases, some insurance agencies or agents don't even know the ins and outs of all of the different insurance coverages. So we have to be very careful with that. So becoming customer service eccentric or centralized around customer service right now is very important. Our world has seen so many changes where relationships were kind of taken away from us. In the pandemic, everybody was locked in and we were stuck with the people we lived with. And I think now people are wanting relationships. They realized how important it is to be in a relationship with people. So customer service is really, really important. And we have to focus around so many different things. Customer first impressions. When the customer calls you, when they go onto your website or they walk in the door, what is their first impression? How are they being greeted? Those are the kind of things that are really, really important when it comes to customer service. The small, basic things. Do they know your agency's name? Do they know their agent's name? Do you know their name and talk to them by using their name? So it's really, really, really important that the small details are followed when it comes to trying to be customer service focused. So you want to make really good first impression. You want to give excellent customer service, but you also want to use technology to your advantage. In these cases, when customers are paying, you want to push them to portals. When they're trying to get proof of insurance, you want to push them to carrier and your agency portals. So we want to use technology to our advantage so we're not wasting time doing the things that the customer could do themselves. So kind of like a self-checkout in a grocery store, and I know people hate those, but they're so much more convenient for the customer that's in a hurry or the customer that wants to do it themselves. So that's where those came from. But we need to remember, what is the customer here? What's the first impression? And those kind of things is what builds our agencies as customer service focused. So first impression, listening to the customer, getting back to them, and educating them. Educate, educate, educate. So look, encourage, and educate. The Lee Law. I hope this has helped you, and I hope your agency is customer service focused. Check out the blog. Read more about being a customer service focused agency. Thanks so much.